Hi there, I'm going to show you how to change the battery in the Skoda key fob. Here's what you need. A small flat blade screwdriver about this size. Then also your replacement battery. This takes a 2032. And you can get these off Amazon. They're just a couple bucks. There's a link below in the description. So here's what you want to do. On the top half, this mechanical key slides out. Slide that over, slide that up. Now this is the half that's going to be coming up. So in this part, just take your key, stick it in about this far, and push it down. It's kind of difficult to get that out, but that's how you do it. Next, take your screwdriver, pull the old battery out. The new one goes in like so. Then this, put this on first. Give that a good squeeze, and you're all set. You can check to make sure you're working, make sure your red light pops up there, and you're all set. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.